Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be solving this Ivy Cube, which is square like a regular Rubik's Cube, but it turns different, like round, in this like weird circular way, which makes it difficult at first, but then it's easy once you know how to do it. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so we start scrambling, just like every other Rubik's Cube tutorial I'm going to do. And this is rather boring. And the cube gets all weird and like weird shapes and patterns that you won't recognize from another Rubik's Cube. But as I said earlier, once you get to learn it and once you know how to do it, it's actually pretty easy. So I'm just going to skip ahead to when it's scrambled and then we can solve. Alright, so what we need to know about this cube is that there are three pieces. There are two edge pieces, like these two orange edge pieces, and a center. And together, these three pieces, the edges and the center, they make up a face. So let me just scramble this away. And so what we need to find are the green edge pieces. So there are two of them. We need to get them on the same side in order to make the green face. So they turn in different ways, but there is only one face where they can both meet, this face. But if you turn them in the wrong way, they won't be on the matching face and you can't solve your cube. Like they can turn in three ways, like this. And any of those three ways but the one is incorrect, which means two of those ways, they aren't on the same face, meaning it's incorrect. It's wrong. You can't solve it. So you need to make them on the same face, which should be easy. Then you just have to find the centerpiece, the green centerpiece. It's not this one, it's not this one. So we need to go find the green centerpiece. Now occasionally, the green centerpiece is down at the bottom, but most of the time it won't be there, and if it is, we can always just slide it back up. So what you want to do to get your centerpiece in the middle is if it's below, on the right side, like it is here, we're going to bring right side up, bring the left side down, bring the right side down, and bring the right side up. Or if it's the other way around and the green center is on the left, we bring left up, right down, left up, left down, right up, my bad. Left down, right up. And then we're going to solve the blue piece in the same way. Bring the two edges to the top, find the blue center, move it up, bring those down, bring that up, and then you will have two solved faces. And most of the time you will have a solved face, but on this time we don't. There are only two solved faces, and normally there's three. So we need to solve one of these faces. And so we're going to put those two solved faces on the side and look for a piece that can go up. So this yellow piece can go up to there. This red piece cannot go up to there. So we put that in front of us. We move that down. We solve for the yellow face, and that won't mess up our blues or our greens, and now we have three solved faces. You put the solved face at the bottom, and you look for a face that can go up to match the middle. Now, this red center cannot go up. It won't match the white. But this white center, it can go up, and it will match the white. So, we bring it up, bring the left side down, bring the right side down, bring the left side up, and boom, you've solved your Ivy Cube. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Bye.